Hello everyone, welcome back to the live reading with Golden Girl today. Okay, a new week started. Hi Moni, thank you so much for joining in on time. I wish that everyone will have a great result for trading this week. Okay, so let's wait for some friends joining in my live stream today. Okay, so first let's interact a bit. Did you receive my gold trading plan this morning? Hi Moni, did you follow my community on Telegram? Hi Pascal, have a lovely week ahead. I wonder if you already follow my community on Telegram yet? Yeah, in the early Asian session today, my gold trading plan had a buy signal at the entry zone 42.22 to 42.20. And you know that so far gold is already reaches to 42.66. Yeah, you know that this is kind of a big victory in the beginning of this week. Yeah, today profitable day. Just just because one signal, big win, right? One signal and big win. So that's why we need to be patient and disciplined. To follow me every day, every weekdays, and I will prepare the gold trading plan and totally free for all members, okay, for all Nova Scalper members. And today is really a good day for everyone. Touch wood. Yes, it is. Okay, because I can forecast that if you watch the chart, okay, if you watch the chart in the early Asian session today, you will see this support zone was already rejected several times last Friday, sorry. And that's why I consider this support zone once again 40.22 to 40.20 as the buy signal, yeah, for my gold trading plan. And you can say that in a 15-minute time frame, the body of the candle is significantly big. Yeah, and the price run kind of steadily. You know, this is when the signal active. And yeah, this is where our entry zone active. And going up, and now it still remain at around 42.58. And if you are a swing trader, this is also a good position for you to hold it for a long time. 42.00 level is kind of bargain price zone for every investor jumping in and hold the buy position, you know. So gold cannot drop far. And as you can see that we are having the candles, right? We're having the candles lying on EMA's ribbons. So that is the signal for the market moving sideways. Yeah, perfect blend day. Thank you so much. And I remember that last week, my gold trading plan also bring a lot of profits to every traders. So remember to follow me closely on my channel on Telegram, okay? Anyone haven't entered my community on Telegram, you can scan the QR code that I insert on your left side of the chart. Scan it and join it. Hi Diamond, thank you. Okay, so just one signal, yeah, according to my gold trading plan. And if you are my VIP members, you will also receive a lot of qualified scalping signals today. Not only today, but also every day. Yeah, and I will remain the winning rate more than 80% for everyone, 80% per week. Okay, every day you trade, set your limitation about your loss, and that could be easier for you. And remember, never borrow the money to trade. Yeah, this market is not easy as you think. We need strategy first, discipline, and a stable mindset to confident to enter any signals. And if you feel that it's too fast, you can practice on your demo account first. No, that's totally different. Yeah, that is my mind, my thought, my brain. Yeah. So sometimes that in the market there's just only two sides, buy or sell, and you can see sometimes that the ideas is similar because there are only two sides, buy or sell, and you can do any strategy as long as you choose the correct direction. And sometimes they're gonna be a similar idea. So but I can confidently that to claim that this is my own opinion and analysis. Okay, I did not copy to anyone. And sometimes that my members send me the report on Telegram that some people scam me. Yeah, they copy my profile and they make a fake profile. They copy my avatar, and it's very dangerous if you follow them, and they could be scammer because they are not me. Okay, so we need the confirmation and identification. So I only have one channel, Nova Scalper channel, and one YouTube channel. Okay, and if you see that anyone feels strange, even though they have the same avatar like me, but they are not me. Okay, there's a lot of cases I meet this already. Yeah, they scam my avatar and create a fake group or channel. Okay, so remember for this point. Okay, thank you so much. And first, let's make a prediction. Okay, forecast. Can you send me your forecast level? Now you see that gold is dropping already in the 50-minute time frame. So can we predict that in the New York session, gold will decrease or increase? Send a comment, send the answer, type the answer on your chat box. Go up or down? Yeah, gold price will go up or down. I want to hear your opinion. Surprisingly good. Okay, so I guess that you are new to my channel, right? Because I have been trading for more than 8 years, my dear. So I guess that I had enough experience for this time, for this market. And even though that sometimes the markets do trap us, but especially is still our mindset and our discipline. We can do it again as long as we can protect our capital by setting stop loss for every trade you are in. is the YouTube delay. What do you mean delay, my dear? You click to the like button, yeah, the red point on your YouTube screen on your mobile. And there are also a few second delay when I'm streaming. It's just around 5-second delay. Okay, Bascan, you forecast the market will go down in the US session, right? Okay, one opinion. Anyone else? I need to hear more opinions from you. Okay, so you can see that gold cannot break out from the level 62, right? And it's forming lower highs at the moment. So basically it's still under a lot of selling pressure. And currently we have the highest price at a 43.78. And this price zone I show you on the daily time frame is belong to the overbought area. So I did not recommend anyone to FOMO at this price zone. And yes, as you see here, gold dropping drastically from this peak, right? And I hope that no one stuck for the buy position from this area 42.78. Okay, and now gold is dropping more than 100 price already. Yeah, $100 already. $100. And if you trade which is 1,000, right? 1,000 pips. And it also depends to your trading volume. It will affect to your loss or profit total amount. And last time I draw for you this trend line when I had live stream last week, last Friday, this trend line. And this is the breakdown point. This is the breakdown point. And even though that the market having the retest, is forming a bullish candle after that, but you see the selling pressure was very strong, and gold having a very strong decrease. So collapse steadily after that point. And it's easily to understand, right? Just follow the rule. Trend is our friend. It breaks down to the trend line, coming back to retest and continue its direction, right? And now gold is facing with the selling pressure once again. It's down to and now in today New York sessions, we're gonna observe the below bottom once again. Our entry zone for the buy signal at 42.22 once again. And now I already identified for you the buy zone. That's gonna moving from at the end of London session until New York session. Okay, now we will focus on the downtrend. Downtrend of gold. And you see here we have another price zone we need to pay attention to is 4,200. So I would like to change this into blue to distinguish from the resistance. Okay, down to last weekly closing VWAP to 4,200. Hi Najam, hoping it goes up. So what do you mean? Are there any position you're stuck? Okay, let me know Najam so I can help you if I can. Hi Prahlad, thank you so much. Oh, I see. Yeah, when you type this, which I can recognize it easily. Small one. Okay, is this beyond your stop loss level? Or this signal you follow the swing trade or scalping? If scalping, just follow the risk reward ratio. Okay, be disciplined. Don't break your rule. Okay, don't break it. Even though they are small one, but they can burn out your account easily. Okay. Mistake. So that's why I always encourage you, remind you to set the stop loss level for every layer you are in. So did you enter my gold trading plan this morning in the early Asian session? Yeah, we gained that more than 200 pips from that signal. So I hope that it's gonna be help you to fix your mistake. Yeah, somehow. Oh, dear my friend, I do not forget you. How can I forget you? Okay, so fix it. Yeah, it's gonna be compensate a bit for your loss. So I hope that you can manage the loss order well. All right. Now we will observing the price movement, and we have the trend line, small trend line in the 15-minute time frame. You see that it's forming lower highs at the moment, and the price zone is getting more and more narrowed, waiting for any explosion. All right. Okay, are you excited for the scalping signal today? If yes, comment, go. Yeah, if you are excited for today's scalping signal on our live stream, comment go, so that I will see the quantity of the comment, and yeah, more motivation for me to show you the signal today. Let's go. Okay, one ready. Yes. Three people already. I want more. Hello, Mohammed. Hi, Boris. Okay, anyone else? Just a few people ready. Let's go. Okay. Come on. Let's go. Let's go for more. Yes. Come on, you can invite your friends to join in my live stream today. And yes, together we will discuss for today market. I'm still having the medicine, but the cough is really tough. So I'm sorry for the inconvenience, and I hope that you can hear me well, so that not to miss any signal. Let's go. Okay. As you wish, this is the pending order. Okay. Buy zone at 42, 45, 42, 50, 43, and stop loss we will set as 42.40. It's nearly hit to this entry zone for this candle. It's nearly hit it. around 10 pips missing. But no worries that in a 5-minute time frame you see that it is under 3 EMA ribbons at the moment. And yeah, it's better for us to wait because there's a lot of resistance above here. EMA 200 trend line, you know, so it's easily to falling. Okay. No, I do not join any expo. You know, I don't have time. There are dozens of tasks I have to handle every day. Take care of the VIP members, my contracting plan, my channel, my live stream, my videos. Oh. So yeah, if you have any information that's interesting, you can share with me, and I love to hear that. So are there any exciting event on that exhibition? I also heard the news for that expo. Yeah, I guess that 1,000 of traders join that expo. So excited, but I do not have time. Yeah, I do not have time to join there. Okay, so focus back on the chart. You can set the limit order for this right zone, okay, for this signal, 45 to 43. Okay, everyone, did you set it? Did you set it, the limit order already? Oh, congratulations, Bralad, for 40 pips profit. And I guess that this is you made up your own analysis, right? So that's very good. If you make the profits on in this market, no matter what you do, you are right. Yes, indeed. And now it's not matched to my analysis, so I will wait for a few minutes. And there will be two scripts for the market if it's coming back to hit my entry zone. Yeah, we will wait for it. And the next scenarios is that I will wait for the price increase and having the reactions at this trend line position 42.62. So it's gonna be change anytime. We don't know the intention of sharks. Okay, we don't know their decisions. So it's better wait and be disciplined to our strategy. Okay. Hi Kevin, Supernova. Okay, thank you so much. And did you enter for my gold trading plan today in the early Asian session today? Was a break block. And I'm gonna share with you a bit some information about the Asian and London session. Recently, my gold trading plans is was active kind of soon. Yeah, sometimes that is gonna be active in the Asian session. Okay, and most of the time it's gonna be active at a London session. So you can capitalize on the market movement on this session. Okay, Asian and London session. You see that this morning, the candlestick body is very large, and this indicates that the market is moving with high liquidity. Yeah, so just one scalping signal, for example, my buy signal. Yeah, my buy signal at the entry zone 42, 22 to 20. It's just bring you around 200 pips, just around 30 minutes. Okay, so if you are a person living in the Asian countries, yeah, that is a luck for you, because the Asian session sometimes is gonna be less liquidity than the New York session. And if we do the correct analysis, correct strategy, it will help you a lot and less risk. Okay, it's gonna be a less risk than you join in the New York session. But never forget to set the stop loss order. Okay, because when the session have a less liquidity, that is when it can be easily manipulated by the big players. Yeah, by the sharks, because it's just less liquidity, so it's easily to be handled, to be manipulated by the rich person. Okay, so yeah, just be disciplined, follow a risk reward ratio, follow the risk management lesson, and remember to set the stop loss every time you enter any layers. Indeed, Brad, you're correct. So yes, if you're aware for this mindset, congratulations that you are about to become a successful trader in the near future. Okay, I'm very happy that I can read this comment like this. So yeah, this is the perfect mindset for every trader should be. Okay. Yeah, that's luck indeed. Sometimes that I receive the request from American friends that they want more signal to trade in the late American in America session. But you know that more than 14 hours a day to observe the chart is gonna be sometimes under a lot of pressure, and I need to resting. So I would like to receive your understanding, yeah, for the signal. And for each day, depends to the market conditions, of course. At least 10 signal will be posted, provide for you to trade, and there will be 2 pending order according to my gold trading plan that I uploaded on my channel. So generally you will have more than 12 signal. If the market's moving sideways or that time is moving slowly, okay, but we need money, we need safety, right? So sometimes we do not trade too much, we shouldn't trade too much. Yeah, depends to the qualified of this gapping signal we have, right? So and yeah, just be one thing that I want to share with you every time I have live stream with you: be patient, okay? Be patient and discipline. So now let's focus back on the chart that we are having a sideways market once again. Okay, so by using EMA, you can see that the market is forming a candlesticks and now it's lying on the EMA. So this is in the case for the sideways situation, sideways scenarios. Okay, so anyone need me to instruct you once again how to set up these indicators on your trading chart? Anyone? If yes, let's comment, let me know. Just let me know. Comment I need, yeah, so that I will instruct you how to set up these indicators, very useful indicators on your trading, and it's really helped me a lot in the correct analysis. Hi Rick. Oh, okay, so anyone else that need me to instruct you once again for this indicator? Because you need to choose the correct script name. There's hundreds of EMA you can see on the trading view, but we need to choose, yeah, the exact one. Oh, this name I haven't seen before. Okay, yeah, there are 4 people requires me to, okay, 5, Kevin. Okay, there are 5 people, only 5 people among 50 viewers watching my live stream. Okay. For my weekly trading plan, you see that the market, I will change the style to upload the post and analysis. Sometimes that, you know, in the beginning of the week on Sunday, yeah, on Sunday that posting the weekly trading plan too early, that sometimes you cannot remember the key resistance or support level. So that's why for sometimes I will change the style to post the analysis report, okay? And every day I always upload the gold trading plan, so let's follow it closely. Yeah, I believe that you will have useful analysis and it's gonna be help you a lot. And like today in the early Asian session, yeah, wonderful signal. And I believe that anyone enter for this buy signal around here 42, 22, you still gain a big profit until now because the price is increased, and now we have 22.56, right? More than $34 change, which means 340 pips profit is still running on your trading account. All right, so I believe that and I confidently that you can follow my gold trading plan every day. That is the best choice for you. And for a weekly trading plan, I just note the key support or resistance level. And sometimes you're gonna be miss it or forget it. So follow the gold trading plan every day will help you. Okay, will be better for you. Is it good to trade sideways or simply to wait? It's better to wait, my dear, because you see that the range of the price is kind of narrowed, you know, and it will not bring you a good profit, good trading result at all. So it's better for you to wait. And now we have a pending order at the position down here, 45 to 43. Okay, so I will not let you wait any longer. I will show you how to set up the EMA's ribbons on your trading chart. Okay, first you click to these indicators and choose this script name. I will show you, I will let you have a few seconds to remember this script name, or you can take a screenshot. Okay, you can take a screenshot to your on your mobile phone. Okay, multiple EMA by Eric. Choose this one. I did not do the promotion for this guy. Okay, just because I used it and it's very useful for me. So I encourage you to choose and do the same me. Okay, so just misunderstanding, avoid the misunderstanding that I'm making the promotion for this one, for this guy. Now, come on, I didn't receive any profits from him. Okay, so after you choose it, click to this script name. Okay, and it will appear this line, and you click to this setting button, settings. Okay, change the input values. This is gonna be show 8. You delete it and change into 34. And the next email you replace 89 instead of 34. Okay, and the last email is gonna be 200. Right? You can take a screenshot for this input values at also. And for the style, it depends to your decision. Yeah, your style, your color, how you want to show it, it depends to you. But I did not change anything. Okay, I'll keep the boldest line, the blue, in blue, yeah, deep blue. It's gonna be 200, EMA 200. And the color is kind of easily to distinguish and observe on the chart. Okay, and after that just click OK. Okay, and then you have the perfect EMA setting on your chart, on your trading view. Okay, is this clear for you to follow this instruction? How to set up the EMA's ribbons on your trading view? Hi, Asekun. Welcome back. Okay, let me know that you are clear for this instruction already. Not yet. The signal is not active. We're setting the pending order. Oh, I haven't received any feedback from you, so I wonder if you are okay or not. Yeah, I would like to take note for this signal is wait. Okay, this one haven't active. The breakout area will be our entry zone. There's a lot of buyers is waiting for you here. The starting of the bullish reversal, you know. Now in a 5-minute time frame, the market is still moving sideways, so be patient to wait for this signal active. Okay, so my dear friends, is this okay for you for my instruction? Come on, I need more interaction with you. Okay, Najim. Yeah, so good to hear that. Okay, thank you for Mado. Hi, Sharma. Okay. Hi, so very helpful. Yeah, my pleasure. After the end of New York session, my dear, all the fires go far away from our entry zone, like it's heading up and break out from this trend line, and going to the higher levels. Okay, when I see that it's too far away from the below price zone, I will cancel it, and I will continue to upload the status of this signal after I finish the live stream on my channel and on my VIP group as well. Okay. Hi, peacefully. What are indicators? I just show you the how to set up the EMAs. Yeah, EMAs ribbon on your trading view. You can watch it again. Yeah, rewind it and watch it again. Okay. Okay, Justin, thank you so much, and I hope that you can use it effectively on your trading analysis. Yeah, it's very helpful for you when analyze the market trend. Okay, and how to set up the entry point. And of course, it needs to confluence with other conditions like trend line or EMA. Trend line or price action. Yeah, bullish or bearish engulfing candle or powerful candle. Yeah, that's it called price action. Okay, and the last usage is we identify the border, yeah, which is the limitations of gold when it's moving far away from EMAs, and you can use it confluence with Bollinger Band to identify the border, yeah, the border of the gold price. Bollinger Band. It is Bollinger Band. Okay, you see this band, this point is matching with the trend line. Yeah, so we can consider and back to the market that set up a sell signal by using trend line and Bollinger Band. Okay, but we need the confirmation of the market as well. Yeah, let's wait for the reaction of the candle. Okay, it's already four time that hits to reject. Yeah, that having the rejection from the market, that gold price cannot break out strongly, and it's forming lower highs at the moment. But we don't know what's gonna be the fifth time gonna be happened, right? And in a one candle chart, you see that it is forming a very long lower wicks here. Yeah, very long lower wicks here. This is the signal that the buyers is dominating the game. Yeah, so we need to wait for the market reaction at this range. Even though that you can see that there's a lot of conditions that support for the sell signal at the 42.62 level. But anyway, for me, it's safety is our priority. Okay. And my recommendations for you is when the market is moving sideways in a narrow range like this, we shouldn't enter any random trade. It will not bring you a lot of profit at all. But it contains a lot of risk. Yes. 1 hour seems to be forming bearish flag. Not only 1 hour, but also in the 5 minutes. If I lengthen this line and this trend line, you will see that it's getting more and more narrowed, you know. So every pattern now is forming the bearish flag at the moment. Yeah, and you're a good trader. You see, you're a good trader. You can distinguish the shape of the pattern easily when you see just a look. Yeah, just a slight look. You can recognize it. That's very good. And I remember that this knowledge is usually shared by my short videos I upload on YouTube. You know that this is all my knowledge and experience about the market, about the technical analysis, and I'm really looking forward to your like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to receive more useful information and strategy that will help you a lot in your trading analysis. Okay, remember to click to the subscribe button. Thank you, and like for today's live stream video. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. So Asuka, I just read your comment that you cannot hear me. So is it okay for you to hear me now? Yeah, it doesn't cost anything at all. And remember to follow me on Telegram. Okay, my community is more than 25,000 participants already. Scan to the QR code and it will reach you. It will direct you to my community on Telegram. Liquidity zone is gonna be shaped when you see a candlestick having a long wicks. Yeah. Or you can also use the volume profile to measure the trading volume at the specific price range. FVG concept. Now the market didn't form the FVG. So when we see that in the real scenario, I will share with you for this one, okay? And you can also looking for my previous videos that I uploaded on my channel, YouTube channel. Yeah, I also I used to prepare for this content already. Okay, thank you so much. And when the market's forming the example, yeah, reality scenario, so we can looking for it and do the analysis together. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you. So yeah, in the today live stream, we do not have any real-time scalping signal to trade together because the market is moving sideways and it missed for my entry zone around 10 pips. Yeah, 10 pips. But it's not a matter because we have time to listen to the my analysis, and I can also hear your opinion for the market today. And I also show you two specific level we need to observe in today's session. Okay, we're about to New York session, and price is now recover in the short term, and it's reaching to the trend line, and there is another conditions that confluence with the trend lines is Bollinger Band. Okay, and 42.62 will be our specific level we need to observe in today's trading session. Okay, this is the key level. Yeah, key level is a breakout. It will coming back to the recover of gold, and it will revenge. Yeah, do a revenge for the previous peak, and goal in the long term is still supported by a lot of buyers and follow the strong uptrend. But it's not the reason that we have to enter the buy order all the time. Okay, if you are swing traders or intraday, the best position, yeah, good position will help you a lot to remain the good entry, good position. Okay, and it's also reduce your stress, your stress when you enter any trade, because I understand that your stop loss and your take profit is very long because you follow the big time frame analysis. Yeah, and mine is the scalping signals, and I follow the risk reward ratio 1/1, 50 pips for risk and 50 pips per profit. Okay, so it also depends to your trading style, and you can decide which is the trading style you prefer and follow it disciplinedly. Okay, if you trade, you set up your scalping your signal by using 1 hour time frame. Keep it, do not change. Looking at the multiple time frames will help you having a broader view to do the analysis. But whenever you decide to enter any signal by using that time frame, be disciplined to this decision. Okay, and that's why swing trading is more difficult than scalping. Yeah, and for scalpers, quick in, quick out by using analysis, using my signals that I posted on my channel and on my VIP signal groups. It's easily and quickly for you to get the profit. Okay, think about it and consider to choose which is the best appropriate for you, suitable for you to trade. Okay, so I'm still here for around 5 minutes left. So anyone have any question, sending to me. 55 to 60 buy complete. Oh, very good trading results. Congratulations, Pralat. That's very good. You are truly a professional scalper. Quick in and quick out. Okay. Is the signal still active? Yeah, it's still set the pending order for this entry zone below here. Wait for the price having the reaction to this trend line. And if you want to bet to the market, you can set a sell order here at the 62 to 63. Yeah, if you want to bet to the market. Okay. I don't know why the Nightbox it just keep on deleting your comments. Could you type it again for me, my dear friends? 62. I draw a trend line on the chart for you to see it. Yeah, it's also it depends to your decisions, my dear. Okay. And the Forex Factory calendar. This week we will have we will head into the CPI this Friday. And at the end of this October, there will be another decision from Fed, right? Jerome Powell about interest rate cut or not. More 25 points cut according to the interest rate is going to be happened or not. And if this decision will be made. It's gonna be a big hit for gold price is setting up for new all-time high this week. Yeah, as the gold trader, we need to explore about the U.S. economic news and the relative between these index, economy data to gold price. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Okay, anyone else having another questions? In a few seconds, in a few minutes later, I will end my live stream here. Okay, I guess that kindly explain how you Fibonacci retracement. Retracement. Okay. I usually do it in a big time frame, you know, to measure the wave. Okay, I will delete all of this to have the decision. You see, this is a downtrend. You need to identify the trend first. Okay, there is a downtrend. It's having a, oh, sorry. Let me draw it again for the arrow. Very strong downtrend here. And Fibonacci retracement will help you to identify the reaction point. And you need to stretch out. Yeah, you need to drag from the highest point of the trend to the lowest point of the trend occur. Okay, this is the lowest point of the trend. And then you will see at the 0.5 right zone, markets usually have the reactions. And 0.618. Or you can also consider 0.382. So this time is moving near. Yeah, gold having the reactions. I would like to hide the Bollinger Band a bit. Yeah, okay. Because it will make you more complicated to observe and doing the drawing for your analysis. And gold price tend to have the reactions at the price zone between 0.5 to 0.618. Okay, and now it cannot reach it to that level, 0.5 level, because it's having EMA 89, EMA 34 above here, because the EMA is acting like a dynamic resistance or support zone. Depends to the locations of the candlestick pattern of the candlestick. Okay, and now this is a force. Yeah, this is a rejection of the market that it do not allow gold increase to higher levels, but it's kind of near to 0.1 0.5. So you can identify this price zone by using Fibonacci retracement and draw the line like this. Okay, and click to this price node. Click to this price node to mark the price level, and then you delete it. This specific level will easily have the bearish reaction. Okay, the bearish reaction. So by doing this, you can mark it and observe for this level. And of course, it needs to have other conditions to use with Fibonacci retracement. It cannot use alone. Every scalping signal or every signal that I set up on my VIP signal group, at least two conditions need to be matched with each other at one price zone. And at this key level, I will observe the price action. How is candlestick forms established for the patterns? Okay, and using the Fibonacci retracement only help you to identify the key level that market, that price can tend to have the reaction. Okay. So that's a brief this is a brief introduction about the Fibonacci retracement, or you can watch again my video that I posted on my YouTube. Okay, so I will show you again my analysis for today live stream. When should I take profit? We enter only with one layer. May I know how many is your trading volume? If you enter the trade with a micro lot, just follow at least 50 pips profit. It will match with your risk reward ratio. Okay, 50 pips profit and 50 pips risk, 50 pips loss as well. Okay, so now the market is just keep on moving in a narrow range, and yeah, we keep on looking for this specific price, and yeah, I will continue to active on my channel on Telegram and my VIP signal group. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye, and thanks a lot for joining to my live stream today, and good luck for this pending order. Okay, and see you next time. Oh, 1 minute trending. Sorry that your question was already deleted by the night bot. I cannot read it. Yeah, I cannot read it. Okay, so see you next time. I will continue to having the live stream this Wednesday. If you have any question, feel free to leave the comment, and I promise to remember to answer it. Okay, thank you and goodbye.